Hello, dear colleagues. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. My name is Oleg Prishepa. Let's start our weekly review. Our total profitability is plus 178%. For this week, we earned around 1%, and our profitability for January is 4.7%. Let's switch to the MetaTrader platform and see how we were trading during this week. And the first currency pair is GBP USD on 1 hour time frame, and I highlighted this week with a gray rectangle. So as you can see, we were trading uh, actually in the frames of the previous week. And if we compare the close price of the previous week and this week, we may consider that after 5 days of trading, the price didn't change significantly. So that's why we didn't have many trades here, but still Monday we started from retesting the previous highs, and we made a good sell here. Then on the reversal movement, we bought and closed our deal with profit. Then on Tuesday, after we retested the previous lows, we opened our first buying position. Then we averaged this position and closed both deals with profit of $11. Then on the reversal movement, after this impulse, we closed and we sold and closed our deal on Wednesday with small profit, and later on Wednesday we opened another selling position, and now we are waiting for the market to move on. If we'll retest and break the previous highs, we're going to average our trade as we were doing previously, or if it falls to the previous local lows, we're going to close it with profit. The next currency pair is GBP to Canadian dollar, and for this pair you can see that we actually decreased for around 1,100 pips. Comparing to the previous one, we had a good impulse the last week, and this week we fell down in the correction, and it gave us good opportunity, first of all, to make two buying trades on Monday, and then later on Tuesday we actually were buying at the bottoms of local bottoms of these days, and then on the reversal movement on Wednesday, we started selling and then averaged this trade and closed a bunch of these trades on Thursday on the correction with profit. And later on Friday, uh, closer to the local low, we opened a buying position, and now we're waiting for the market to move on. We are trading in the frames of the local uptrend, so I think that the profitability of the further growth is good. So we may expect the market to show us some profit from this trade the next Monday or maybe Tuesday. The next currency pair is Australian to New Zealand dollar. As you remember, we were growing since the middle of December, and the last week we broke this trend and fell down. But this week, market fully restored and even showed us the new local highs. We started this week from the selling at the local top of the market on Monday and closed this deal right before we got this huge impulse for 1,200 pips, so that actually retested the previous high that made us selling from this point, and then we averaged our trade later on Wednesday night, and now we're waiting for the market to show us the further movement. Actually, after we have usually after we have this kind of movements, we have bigger correction that falls deeper, and I think that at the beginning of the next week we're going to close all the open trades with profit when we see the correction. If not, we still have some space to average our trades. If we speak about a global picture, we are heading to the local highs of November. So we have some zones of resistance from which we can average our trades in the future, of course, if we're not going to close them on the correction on Monday. The next currency pair is New Zealand to Canadian dollar. Comparable to the previous week, obviously, we have very modest results. We had only like two selling positions opened and closed on Tuesday after we retested the previous local highs. And as you can see, we were trading inside actually the frames of the previous week. We were not breaking like new like historical or even like local highs or lows. So that's why we had only two trades. Now we're waiting for the market to show us like new extremums to start trading against these impulses. And the last currency pair for today is Australian to Canadian dollar. As you can see, it's like it's more vivid. We had like a strong uptrend, and actually we are moving in this uptrend for quite a long time. We had this resistance level from December that we were trying to retest, and finally on the previous week we broke it. First of all, like it was on the 13th and 16th of January, then it was on the 18th, and from this point we like renewed our growth. So that's why we were selling against these impulses. As you can see, we were selling each time we had a great impulse, and it gave us an opportunity to average our trades at more favorable prices and close all the like trades that we had with profit or around the like break-even point. One of the algorithms that closed our deals earlier started trading in the reversal direction. Actually, it's normal if one robot is buying and another one may be selling simultaneously because they follow different algorithms, and this is a kind of hedging that actually like works great because like sooner or later both of the like trades will be closed, and now we're waiting for this one buying trade to close. I think that it will happen at the beginning of the next week. We have this like strong trend, so we have like all chances the price to grow and close our deal with profit. If not, we're gonna average it as we were using it before. That's all for this week. Thanks everybody who subscribed to our strategy. I wish you a profitable trading week and see you next Saturday.